Meditation is an ancient practice. It cultivates inner peace and well-being. Through simple techniques, we can access a deep sense of tranquility. It is a journey inward, a retreat from the busyness of life. Meditation allows us to connect with our true selves. Imagine a still pond on a calm day. The surface reflects the sky perfectly. This is the state of mind meditation cultivates. It allows clarity and focus to emerge from the turmoil of thoughts. Meditation is not about emptying the mind, it is about observing thoughts without judgment. Like clouds passing in the sky, we acknowledge them and let them go. As we learn to observe our thoughts, we gain a sense of detachment. This detachment reduces stress and promotes inner peace. Mindfulness and meditation are interconnected. They are distinct but complementary practices. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment. We observe our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It can be practiced at any time and in any place. Meditation, on the other hand, is a more formal practice. It often involves sitting or lying down in a quiet space. We focus our attention on a single point, such as the breath or a mantra. This dedicated time allows for deeper exploration of the mind. Think of mindfulness as a state of being and meditation as a practice to cultivate that state. Mindfulness is being present while washing dishes or walking in nature. Meditation is setting aside time for a formal practice. Both mindfulness and meditation offer numerous benefits. They reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation. By incorporating both into our lives, we cultivate a greater sense of presence and peace. The benefits of meditation extend far beyond relaxation. Studies show its positive impact on mental and physical health. Meditation reduces stress hormones like cortisol. It strengthens the immune system and lowers blood pressure. It's a powerful tool for managing anxiety and depression. Meditation helps us develop a greater sense of self-awareness. We become more attuned to our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. This awareness allows us to respond to challenges with greater skill. Meditation is like training a muscle. The more we practice, the stronger our ability to focus and regulate our emotions becomes. With consistent practice, we develop resilience and emotional intelligence. The benefits of meditation can be experienced by people from all walks of life. Students can use it to improve focus and reduce exam stress. Employees can benefit from increased productivity and better stress management. Athletes can enhance their performance and focus. Meditation helps cultivate compassion and empathy. This makes it a valuable tool for improving relationships. By understanding ourselves better, we can understand and connect with others more deeply. There are numerous ways to integrate meditation into daily life. We can start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration. Even a short meditation practice can make a difference. Consistency is key. One powerful meditation exercise is loving kindness meditation. We cultivate feelings of love and kindness towards ourselves and others. Another helpful practice is inner critic to inner coach.